Hello traders, welcome to yet another video powered by Dhan, India's most advanced trading platform. So today's market is really unbelievable. Like contrary to what we were expecting, once the US inflation data and core inflation data came out, I was thinking, not only me, many people were thinking, in fact, many people were telling in our Telegram group that they were expecting, like most of the people were expecting market to go down because the US inflation data came at a lifetime high, and we also posted a very catchy thumbnail that markets are likely to go down, but this is completely surprise. From where around 15,000, we were at around 15,900 levels. I think 900. I think low was around 15,935 last week to before 2 or 3 trading session, and we are sitting at 16,280. And as of now, even you see this SGX Nifty is flat. Even last trading session, US trading session, Dow future was up by 600. Dow US markets were up. S&P, Nasdaq, everything was up. And when you see Bank Nifty, last week we were talking about whether the Bank Nifty is going to break 33,000 on the downside or not. Now it is sitting somewhere around above 35,000. Even today morning, I was believing 16,200 will be a good resistance when it comes to Nifty, and 35,000 will act as a good resistance for Bank Nifty. But surprisingly, both bulls were able to go above 16,200 and 35,000. The main reason why the markets went up was positive global cues. Plus, if you see Nifty, IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, Ultratech Cement, and a few other stocks, I think, which all contributed to the up move. I think IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, and Ultratech Cement alone was up by more than 3%. IndusInd Bank was up by more than 4.5%, which lifted Nifty for lifted Nifty for around 300 points. And if you see, 300 points from previous day low, that is Friday's low was around 15,935. Now we are sitting at around 16,000. Where 16,000, more than 16,000, around 16,300 levels. And Bank Nifty, only HDFC Bank was not performing. Apart from HDFC Bank, all the stocks in Bank Nifty was performing. That is really great. And as I told you, it was HDFC Bank was down by around 1.06%. Thanks to all the banks which lifted Nifty from 34,500 to 35,300. So it is clearly evident that we were wrong, and Nifty and Bank Nifty has surpassed 16,200. Even people were telling 16,200, 250 levels, right? So going forward, what is going to happen? Probably we will see 16,500. Who knows? Maybe if I tell 16,500, you people will come and tell you whatever you tell, I am going to do opposite, and then you will okay, forget it. So this is whatever we are telling, we can just, that's why it is called prediction, right? We can just predict. If something goes wrong, we cannot do anything about that. Even if things have gone wrong, we are in profit only, right? We expected market to go down, but we are sitting in profit, right? It is going opposite direction. It is making profit. That's why I told in previous video also, let the market go anywhere, any direction, not an issue. Only issue is gap ups and gap down. We can, in one single day, even if the Nifty moves 600,000 points or 2,000 points, or Bank Nifty moves 2,000, 3,000 points, not an issue. We can manage. We will suffer where? We will suffer when Nifty or Bank Nifty is gapping up 300 points or 350 points or 400 points. Because when it gaps up or gap downs, it will confuse the whole setup, or it will confuse, everything will change. From your delta, your Greeks, from delta to theta to gamma, everything, premium, open interest, everything will be changed. So that's why we have been telling, that's why I have been telling, it is very hard for option sellers to what is that? Manage gap ups and gap downs, right? Anyway, if it is moving for good, like if it is moving like this, not an issue. We are likely to make money only, right? And if you see the open interest, as I told you, 16,000 today. So many people were writing 16,200. At one point of the time, I was seeing 7.5 lakhs open interest at 16,200, and you see here 16,200 people had to go run for cover, and that alone has lifted the Nifty to around 16,285. And if you see open interest wise, like 16,000 is having the highest open interest. 16,000 is having the highest open interest among put option, and call option there is 16,500. This is Nifty. And bank nifty is different thing. Today morning in our live session also I told 35,000 had the highest open interest among call option. That also was taken out, and now 35,000 it has shifted to around 35,500. We are seeing high calls around 35,500, and I believe mostly markets are likely to consolidate till our Jerome Powell is going to come out with interest rate. People are saying there is going to be 100 basis point interest rate hike. I really don't know if this is a trap or maybe FIAs. When it comes to FIAs, I'll also show you. These big brothers are nice today. That is what I'm afraid of. If they are very nice, no, then there is something really wrong. They are going to do something really big. That is why they are kind of acting nice now. They have bought for 156 crores and DIS have bought for 844 crores. I think this 156 crores buying is happening, I think, more than 5 or 6 months, right? In the last 5 or 6 months, I have never seen FIAs buying. So if they are buying means they are really going to do something big. I don't know when they are going to do, before 27th July or after that, we really don't know. So be careful, be cautious. So this is, I'm not saying it's not a joke. I'm feeling suspicious about this FIA activity, right? In the past also I've been telling, if they are selling slowly means, they usually what they do is, they sell on an average 2,000 crores, 2,500 crores or 3,000 crores, right? If they want the market to move little on the upside, they used to sell for 3,000 crores, very less, maybe 500 crores, 300 crores, 200 crores, like this. But when they are buying means they are up to something. Maybe they will let the market hit 17,000 or 16,500, then they will hit the sell button very hard, right? Who knows? Fingers crossed, we'll wait. But one thing I can see is that markets are kind of consolidating, and it is the best time for selling options, non-directional strategies, whether it is straddle, strangle. Don't do calendar spread. Since India VIX is falling, if you do calendar spread, you will end up losing money. So it is best go for non-directional strategies like straddles, strangle. You can do ratio spreads as well. So these are all things what you can do, right? So that's it. I think I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.